Hey guys, the good folks over at ArcBrothers sent me over some sandals. Now, these are really nice. I want y'all to check this out. I took one out earlier and looked at it. Haven't worn them yet, so I can't tell you about the comfort, but I'll tell you in a moment. Look at that. That is a nice sandal. I don't wear them all the time, but like when, oh wow. But when you're outside, like what I'm fixing to be doing, or heading out to the lake, or just running to the store, just slip them on. They work perfect, and that's what I plan on using them for. They have the Velcro release right here. You'll be able to slip your foot in there pretty easy. They've got a nice cushion in them too, I tell you. That's why I stopped for a moment. I felt down, wow, that feels comfortable. Get them up a little closer so you can see them better. Check that out. Pretty nice, eh? Smells like real leather too. I just wonder how comfortable they are. We'll put them on and try them out. Wow, these are comfortable, y'all. They have a nice insole right there. They're easy to walk on, feels really good. Like I said, these would be perfect for if you're running to the store, out watering the flowers, headed to the lake, whatever. They feel really nice. So I tell you what, if you would like to get some of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order your very own today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. If you haven't done so yet, I would appreciate it. Yeah, these are really comfortable, guys. I'm going to have them right here at my door so I can just slip them on, run out here into the yard, run to the store, just whatever. You know, I'm not going to go mountain climbing in them, but I can definitely go to the lake or to run down to the store or just out here in the yard. Really nice. I like them. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.